So over here, you can see that I got a two-page design right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to present it in front of an audience. So if you want to do that, then you can use the presentation tools inside of VistaCreate as well. And you can use your VistaCreate as a presentation tool as well, because it is also a presentation tool. So here you can see that I got two slides, and you can go around and add in more pages to act as slides right here for your presentation as well. So as soon as you're ready to present, you can click on the first page right here. And I also have some animations added in right here. So in order to present it, you can go around over here on the top and click on the present icon right here. So as soon as you click on this, what happens is that your presentation goes full screen and you got slide controls over here at the bottom. You can see that there's the animation and everything as the slide actually comes in. If I were to go around and click on the other arrow right here, then it comes up to the other slide right here, just like this. So as you hover around, this is what you see, as you can see. You can go around and click on back to go back to the slide, or click on forward to go forward right here. And you can also go around and enable autoplay so that you don't have to click everything manually right here. So as one slide actually stops out right here, and the slide actually animates out, the other slide just pops up over here. So if you want autoplay, you can do that as well. You can go around and restart out the presentation by clicking on the restart button as well. And if you want to get out of the presentation, then simply go around over here and click on exit, and then you get back onto the editing mode right here. And that is how you can go around and utilize the presentation option inside of VistaCreate. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.